Today we will discuss about the difference between binary fission and multiple fission. Here some keywords or characters are present according to which we have to differentiate binary fission and multiple fission. Now come the first point. Here this is the first point, number of produced individuals. In binary fission there are two individuals are found after binary fission, and in multiple fission several individuals are found. Now the second point is occurrence. This binary fission occur under favorable conditions, but in multiple fission both favorable and unfavorable it occurs in both favorable conditions and unfavorable conditions. Multiple fission occur in favorable condition in the case of plasmodium, and multiple fission occur under unfavorable condition in the case of amoeba. Now the third point is nuclear division. Nuclear division occur in binary fission only one time, but in the case of multiple fission it is repeated to form several nuclei. Fourth point, cytokinesis. The process of cytokinesis occurs in binary fission after every karyokinesis, but in the case of multiple fission it occurs after completing all karyokinesis. Here this is a space where any words are not written, but you have to write down that occurs after completing of all karyokinesis. Now the last point is residual part. Residual parts means remaining parts. In binary fission remaining parts are absent, but in the case of multiple fission remaining parts are present.